Hello, I'm Elizabeth Ingero, and in under 2 minutes I'm going to show you how to add music to your videos in Premiere Pro. Let's put the timer on and let's get cracking. So you've got your project open, you've saved it. All you need to do is create your sequence by bringing in your video file into this section right here. So you hold it, you click it, and you pull it across. Now that's something that I've just made a lot shorter, so I will get a bigger file and then I'll be able to do that, or I could just make it bigger. There you go. So just bring over your video and put it across into your file. Then all you need to do then is get your music file. This is a music audio file, it's a waveform, and I'm going to pull that and put it on the track underneath. Now you want to make sure that you put it on a separate track so that they are separate pieces of information. I'm just going to reduce this because I know the volume is going to be very loud, so I'm just going to reduce that. That's all I'm doing there. So we have got our video and our audio, and let's see what it sounds like. Okay, so you can hear the audio for this is playing, and then you've got the music playing underneath, and that's all you need to do. Now, if you wanted just the music and not the audio for your clip, then I do have a video of how to delete the audio, but I've done it in less than a minute. I think I did it. I showed you there, so that's really good. I will show you then how to delete the audio. All you need to do is you click on the video file, right click, and you unlink. Once you've unlinked it, you've unlinked the video to the audio, 18 seconds left, you press delete, and then now you will only have the video and your audio. There we go, under 10 minutes, how to add music to your video clips in Premiere Pro. So right now we are going to go over to the longer version of the tutorial so that it gives you an opportunity to actually do it slow pace, and also will get fine tune, any other additional things that I want to add to give you more information. So here we are now. We'll go back to this screen and we will start again so that if you want to follow along, you can do that. So here I have a clip and I'm going to reset that. I'm going to bring the clip in just by clicking this middle box here. So it's got the audio with the clip there. Let's have a listen. Okay, there you go. Now I want to add some music to that. I'm going to click my music file and I'm going to put it on a separate audio layer. So you can see that this is on A1. Track A1 is the one for the video, and then track A2 is the one for the music file that I added in there. If you were to, let me just show you, if you were to put the music file on top of the video file, then it's actually going to delete the audio for your video file. Let's have a listen. It's going to be really loud, so I'm just reducing that for you. There you go, no audio at all. So I'm going to press Ctrl Z to undo what I just did. But if we play it now, you can hear, let's get somewhere where someone is speaking. Let's get somewhere where someone is speaking, and then it will make more sense. There you go. Oh, you can hear the background noises anyway. There you go. So now you've got the audio from the original video track, and you have the audio from the music that you added into that. So that's quite handy if you wanted to, for example, you wanted to show something that you were demonstrating, maybe there was a presentation where somebody was saying something significant. You still want to get the audio from the video, but then at the same time you want to have the backing track then that's the type of situation where you would use that. You know, for example, like a wedding as well, you could use it for that, where they're talking, there are people talking, and then you have the music playing in the background. You can use it for those situations. So let's have a look and see what else we can do with this adding of audio. So what we can also do is we can totally delete the audio for the video file. If you know you're just using that as image, you only need the images, then what you need to do is you need to unlink, right click. So click on the video file first of all, right click and go to unlink. Unlink right here. That then separates the video from the audio from your original video file. And you can choose whatever you want to do. You can delete the video, you can delete the audio, just highlight it and backspace if you're using a Mac, or delete if you're using a PC. And now we have just the audio and the music file. Okay? Now just remember, if you want to keep part of the audio, let's say for another section, but not for that section, then instead of deleting the whole audio, what you could do once it's unlinked is you can pull it, you can trim it away. So this bit here won't have any music, but then once we get here, the sound is still there. If you delete everything, you won't be able to get the sound back. You'll have to either synchronize it again or go through a long process. So just bear in mind, if you need the audio for later on, to keep the bit that you need, and then you can delete the parts that you don't need. So hopefully that's a useful tip, and hopefully you have learned something. And just to summarize what we're actually doing, we were adding music to a video file. And along with that as well, we've deleted the original audio from the video file, and we've just had the music that we've had added. And we've also played the music and the audio file together. So you can do lots of things with that depending on your project. So thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully you've learned something. Hopefully if you just needed a rush, to remind yourself of what to do, you can watch the 2-minute version, under 2 minutes version. And if you like going into more details, then do go ahead and watch the longer versions. But don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share, and most of all, comment. Let me know what you think of the video. Let me know if there are any tips or hacks or different ways that you do it, basically, and you found it easy to do. That would be really great to actually share that knowledge with other people. Hit the notification bell as well, so that every time I upload a video on this channel, you will be informed. My name is Elizabeth Ngero. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.